Get ready for high-quality output with minimal horsepower requirements. The R1 FR series lays down well-formed, well-conditioned windrows with the industry's widest conditioning rollers, full-width baffle, and adjustable forming shields. Boost your productivity further by pairing the R1 FR with the R1 pull type. Maximize your mowing potential and get more with the MacDon R1 front mount rotary disc. Double your productivity by pairing the R1 FR with the MacDon R1 pull type. This dynamic duo multiplies your capacity up to an impressive 32 feet of cutting width. Common parts between the two units means service and maintenance are a breeze, making this combination a no-brainer for those seeking efficient, high-quality output. Doing more with less, the R1 FR only requires 100 horsepower for the 13-foot and 125 for the 16-foot models. Less horsepower means less fuel consumption. The 3-point hitch on MacDon's front mount rotary disc unit is compatible with Category 2, 3, and 3N tractors. Cutting disc RPM is 2652 at 1000 PTO. A PTO completion package is required and installed by your MacDon dealer. Your PTO options include MacDon's low-profile forward-mounted cutting discs provide a flat header angle, resulting in a clean, even cut. MacDon's 3-year Cutterbar Warranty ensures worry-free harvesting performance. Each disc spindle on the R1 FR series Cutterbar features a shear pin designed to shear if it comes in contact with a large object in the field. Once sheared, the disc moves up and out of the way of the other discs. This reduces the risk of severe damage to the Cutterbar. Operators can replace shear pins in field and get back to mowing in a short time. The R1 FR series lays down well-formed, well-conditioned windrows with the industry's widest steel intermeshing rollers at 129 inches. Steel intermeshing rollers are ideal for stiff or solid plant stems. They create well-conditioned windrows across various widths, are well-suited for high-volume crops requiring aggressive feeding. They promote even plant dry down in smooth-stemmed crops, and best of all, they are durable steel rolls requiring minimal maintenance. With a full-width baffle mounted to the conditioner and protective forming shields that can be adjusted to a narrow 5-foot opening, the R1 FR is ready to lay down well-formed, tailored windrows to meet your needs. Using minimal ground pressure, the R1 FR's responsive float system moves the unit up and back as it encounters bumps in the field. This dynamic movement results in true ground following and helps ensure a clean, even cut of your fields. High quality output with minimal horsepower requirements. The R1 FR series maximizes your mowing potential so you can get more with MacDon. Find your local dealer at MacDon.com and get ready for more.